With Connect Spreadsheets, accessing your data from wherever it lives in your spreadsheets is easy. Let's walk through how to start working with your data in the next 5 minutes or less. First, install the CData Connect Spreadsheets add-in. If you're using Excel, go to the Microsoft Office add-in store. For Google Sheets, visit the Google Workspace Marketplace. Links to both are in the description below. Search for CData Connect Spreadsheets and click Install. Once installed, just open any Google Sheet or Excel document and open the add-in from the Extensions or Add-in menu. Then click Sign Up to create your CData credentials and log in. Now that you're logged in, let's connect to our first data source. I'll click Add Connections. Today we'll be using Sage Intacct for our source example. Just search for Sage and select your source connector. To connect to most sources, you just need to enter your credentials, which in this case for Sage includes your company ID, your username, and password. For any source, you can follow the instructions in the documentation on the right for more information on how to get your authentication credentials. When you're done, click Save and Test. Now that I've added my source connection, let's pull in our Sage Intacct data to my spreadsheet. I'll click Import and then choose my data source, in this case Sage Intacct. Then I'll use the query builder to select the data I want. I'll keep it simple and just select all the data available in my GL account balances. Here I can apply any filters and sorting methods to the data that I pull into my spreadsheet. Once I'm happy with my query, I can go ahead and click Execute and then select either the current or a new sheet to pull in my data. Your data will then load directly into your spreadsheet from Sage Intacct. Now that I've imported my data, for real-time updates to always have the freshest data available in my spreadsheet, you can just click refresh at any time to pull the latest data. Or you can set a schedule with auto refresh for data to refresh on your schedule. Now I can also make bulk updates directly from my spreadsheet. When I modify my data, I can click Update to push changes back into Sage Intacct, keeping your records accurate and up to date. In Connect Spreadsheets, I can also delete records in bulk from my originating source. And if I need, I can show logs for my recent query execution, view documentation for more help on features and step-by-step guides, or visit the Help Center to receive support and learn from other users. Finally, collaboration in Connect Spreadsheets is easy. Invite others to view or work with connected data like a normal spreadsheet. By inviting users to create their own Connect Spreadsheets account, your team will also have access to connect and build their own queries into their own spreadsheets. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've connected Sage Intacct to Excel or Google Sheets without any manual exports or data movement. Start working with live data in your spreadsheets today and unlock real-time insights with Connect Spreadsheets.